From the frozen tundra of Antarctica to your construction site, Steiger tractors are strong, smart, and simple to help you move more earth for less. Heavy-duty Steiger scraper tractors have the power to pull their weight and then some. It's why you see one Steiger tractor doing the job that normally takes two. And it's why Steiger tractors are the smarter, less expensive way to move dirt. But it's not just about muscle. Steiger tractors balance power with efficiency. Go from low-speed loading to high-speed roading with the intelligent CVX drive continuously variable transmission. Or choose the world record-setting power drive power shift transmission. Easy-to-use controls and preset speed options allow the operator to focus on the task at hand, making even your most inexperienced operator productive. Isn't it time you made your fleet Steiger strong?